I'm really tired. I was up late last night looking at yesterday's footage, and it's terrible. I really suck at social media. I've been wanting to do this video blog for the last 5 years, but truth is, I've been really afraid. I spent the last 20 years working on one skill, and that's art. I haven't worked on anything else really as hard. Now what I'm going to try and do is like work on my social media skills. You know, I thought that was for the kids, but it turns out it's for everybody. I'm going to release these videos once a week. Challenge today is that I want to release on Sunday, and it's Saturday. Now, I'm not a video producer, I'm an artist. And that means I only have 24 hours to get all my footage done and edited before I get it on YouTube. Truth is, I've been really afraid. Now I'm more afraid of not getting this done on time. The challenge of today is that it's also family day. I'm hanging out right now with my son, Isaiah. He's recording me. Say hi, Isaiah.
Hi.
We're off to my daughter Juno's dance recital. And Mom is already there helping her out.
You guys have to be back here no later than 5. I think we'll make it safe, right?
Yeah.
Okay, look over this direction then once.
What did you think of Juno's dancing?
It was really good.
It was really good, wasn't it?
Yes.
And her teacher won Best Choreographer.
Yeah.
I'm going to be creating a bunch of motivational posters for myself. I'm going to hang them in the studio. We had just a dreadful winter this year. Look at my grass. It looks horrible. 2 of them broke. So new discovery, we went to look at our problem here, and one of the real problems is we've stuck this lamp in an anthill. So the first thing we've got to do is get rid of all the ants, and like they really have taken a liking to this thing. You can see they're crawling inside the hole here. So that'll be fun. We gotta get the soldering gun.
Yeah.
And the saw.
And the ant killing stuff.
I hate killing ants, but sometimes you just gotta move them. Our soldering gun is missing the
Yeah, it's missing the
piece.
piece that heats up.
Is it in there?
Oh no.
Looks like we're going to the tool place.
Where's the tool? Home Depot.
Home Depot.
Hate Home Depot.
should be easier. All right, so different idea. Plan A didn't work with the soldering. I'm sure people who know how to do this are laughing at us right now. So plan B is a glue gun, and if this doesn't work, we're done. I'm sure some of you will leave comments on how we should actually do this. I'm not doing this because I'm cheap. I'm doing this because there is so much waste in the world. And if they just stop making cheap products, then this shit wouldn't happen. Like, is this glue gun working? That's about as good as the actual metal was, so we'll see if we can get one more season out of that. Lamps are fixed. And now we're off to Juno's second recital. Why were you dirty?
Because they were playing outside like hooligans.
Gluten-free chicken nuggets and pizza?
Yeah. Of a house and or yard in your video. Michael, don't. I'm serious.
What are you laughing at, Juno?
Mom,
Why?
because she said she was gonna divorce you
Why'd she say that?
because you filmed her.
This motivational poster deals with fear because it asks the question, what's the worst that could happen? And often for me, the worst that could happen is someone will say yes. Because if they say no, my life doesn't change. But if they say yes, they might give me a ton of new. Today, my family said yes about a lot of stuff. They said yes to being filmed. They said yes to filming me. And it was great. We had so much fun. If you had fun and you like what you saw, hit the subscribe button. If you didn't, don't tell anyone.